Best tablet for college students. Finding the right device for lectures, assignments, and campus life can completely transform your academic routine. I have tested and evaluated top devices to reveal options that deliver unmatched performance, battery endurance, and seamless portability. Product number 1, Apple iPad Air. I start with Apple iPad Air because it delivers a remarkable balance of raw power and lightweight portability for any campus workload. The stunning display brings textbooks, digital notes, and video lectures to life with crisp clarity and vivid colors. I love how fluid the Stylus integration feels when I annotate PDFs during intense study sessions or sketch out ideas. Its processor handles heavy multitasking, video editing, and complex apps without thermal throttling or lag. The battery easily lasts through an entire day of back-to-back classes and late-night library prep. The sleek aluminum build feels durable inside a backpack while remaining incredibly light to carry across campus. Audio quality from the built-in speakers makes online seminars and study break entertainment completely immersive. Product number 2, Samsung Galaxy Tab S9. Next up is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9, which stands out as a true productivity powerhouse for Android enthusiasts. I am continuously impressed by the vibrant display that makes split-screen multitasking and reading dense documents effortless. The included stylus offers precise control right out of the box, so I never have to purchase extra accessories for note-taking. Its desktop-style interface allows me to manage multiple browser windows, PDF readers, and messaging apps side by side just like a traditional laptop. The durable construction resists dust and moisture, giving me complete peace of mind when running between campus buildings in unpredictable weather. Performance remains snappy whether I am streaming lectures, running analytical software, or editing media presentations. Product number 3, Apple iPad. Then I have Apple iPad, which represents the ultimate value choice for everyday student tasks and digital organization. I find its vibrant screen perfect for reviewing lecture slides, writing papers, and keeping up with assignment deadlines. The clean interface runs smooth applications instantly so I can switch from typing notes to watching educational videos without missing a beat. It features reliable battery life that easily keeps pace with demanding class schedules without forcing me to hunt for power outlets. The compact, lightweight design fits neatly into any standard backpack without adding extra bulk. Front and rear cameras offer clear image quality for virtual group projects and scanning physical handouts into clean digital files. Built-in security features keep my personal assignments and data safe wherever I log on to campus Wi-Fi networks. This option provides reliable, essential features for daily coursework effortlessly. Product number 4, Lenovo Tab P12. Moving forward, I selected Lenovo Tab P12 for students who prioritize expansive screen space and immersive digital workspaces. I appreciate the massive display because it allows me to view full-size textbooks alongside digital notebooks comfortably. The multi-speaker setup produces rich, detailed audio that improves virtual lectures and language learning exercises significantly. I enjoy how smoothly the processor handles everyday document editing, web browsing, and media consumption during study breaks. The elegant finish looks professional in lecture halls while offering robust durability for daily transit across campus. Battery performance easily covers extended library sessions, so I never worry about running out of charge mid-essay. It also supports comfortable reading modes that reduce eye strain during late-night study sessions before major exams. It provides incredible screen real estate for demanding academic workloads exceptionally.
Product number 5, Microsoft Surface Pro 10. Finally, I bring you Microsoft Surface Pro 10, which bridges the gap between a portable tablet and a full desktop experience. I rely on its full desktop operating system to run complex specialized software that standard mobile platforms simply cannot handle. The kickstand offers unlimited viewing angles, whether I am typing on a desk or taking handwritten notes on my lap. Its crisp, high-resolution display delivers sharp text and bright visuals that make reading lengthy research papers comfortable. The powerful interior hardware ensures seamless performance across heavy spreadsheets, coding environments, and multi-tab browsing. I love the premium feel of the detachable keyboard and screen glass when transitioning between class sessions and dorm studying. Fast connectivity options ensure fast file transfers and reliable streaming for hybrid learning environments. Choosing the right companion depends on your specific major, workflow preferences, and daily computing demands. I hope this breakdown helps you make a confident decision for your academic journey ahead. Subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews and guides to boost your everyday productivity naturally.